Why should we be Krishna conscious? We should be Krishna conscious because we want to enjoy. Everybody wants to enjoy. In the material platform, we suffer. We want to enjoy, but we suffer. Through the body, we want to enjoy, but we suffer. But the real enjoyment comes by being situated in the Krishna consciousness. So that is what we must try to achieve. And in Krishna consciousness we do get some experience of that. Some enjoyment is there. And then the enjoyment, as we become more and more spiritually inclined, the degree of our enjoyment increases in Krishna consciousness. By serving we enjoy. By serving with Krishna we enjoy. That's the real enjoyment. By being connected to Krishna, who is Anandmaya, we get Ananda. Krishna is Anandmaya. Krishna is full of Ananda. So we become connected to Krishna, who is Anandmaya. We get Ananda. Did you ever get electric shock? How many of you got the experience of getting shocked? What actually happens? The electricity cable is electric-maya. Right? So when you touch it, then you get electricity. That is shock. So similarly, when you become, Krishna is the source of Ananda. So when you get connected to Krishna, then you get Ananda. But how to become connected to Krishna? We become connected to Krishna through service. We become connected to Krishna through love. It is our love for Krishna that connects us to Krishna. Love Krishna. And that love is expressed through service. Service is the expression of love. So that is the process.